Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove the taillight assembly of a Mazda 3. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the taillight assembly of a 2010 Mazda 3, and I'm going to show you how to remove it. We've popped the trunk, and if we go inside of the trunk over here, we're going to need to remove this clip over here. So you can use a flathead screwdriver or the official tool to remove it, but I just use my nail like that and I just pull it out. Very simple. You basically just want to pop out that middle piece and then you can usually just pull it out. Now some people will tell you have to remove this entire panel, but to be honest with you, you just have to pull this back so you can pry this away, okay? When you pry this away, you can see the inside or the interior portion of the taillight. There are two connectors, so the first thing we're going to do is disconnect both of these connectors. There's one and there's a second one over there, and then there are just three nuts holding it in place. I've already taken the liberty to loosen them using that ratchet over there, so I just loosened them a little bit, and now I'm going to remove each of those three nuts. You want to be very careful to not lose these, because if they end up down there, you're probably not going to get them back. So I've removed one of them. We're going to just remove three of them, okay? So we're going to move the second one over here. Like I said, take it slow when you get close to the edge over here. Be very careful. There's a garbage truck that's going to be approaching momentarily, so if it gets loud, I do apologize in advance, but nothing I can do about it. Just like that. Remove the third nut just like that, and then once you've removed all three of those nuts, you can see that it's freed up. Now the interesting thing about this taillight is that it's actually clipped into place over here, so to remove it we have to pull it away. We're not pulling it out, we're pulling it towards the back of the vehicle. So I just like to get a grip over here and just sort of pull it back from here. You really want to, there you go, pull it back like that, and then you can just pull the taillight out. That's how to remove the taillight assembly of a Mazda 3. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.